Hello everyone, it's me, LBT Electric Dino 75, and welcome back to the channel. And I hope you're all doing good, and I really hope you guys enjoy my live stream that I just did last night with my friends, where I invite them over, where we are having fun with each other in this Friday live stream. And if you want to check out that live stream, go to my channel and then go to the live stream section, and then you'll be able to find it. Or I'll put a link down below, so that way you can check out my live stream. It's over 60 million years until their legacy lives on.
And they're still kicking ass and destroying Disney once and for all.
Yep, roasting Disney so badly by doing one simple word. Take that,
Dinosaurs.
Disney.
Dinosaurs kick ass.
Yes. And not to mention that I did a trailer reaction to Mighty Morphin Power Rangers Once and Always. Because if you want to check out that trailer, also links in the description, or go to my channel and find the video for yourself. Not to mention, I also heard that that video that I just made got 1.2K, which is really interesting in my opinion, and very nice. Yeah! Looks like so many people are a fan of my Power Ranger videos. And yet, I managed to get like a 0.K views and all that stuff. That's really interesting. I gotta give them credit that. This trailer reaction is gonna be on another animated dinosaur project from Dead Sound, known as Surya. I think this feels like an animal equivalent of Ark Survival Evolved, but replace the humans and replace them with human-like dinosaurs or something, which I also heard that they look really interesting in my opinion and somewhat nice. And they felt like they came right out of a Kung Fu Panda media and into a dinosaur media or something like that. But with all that said, let the reaction come end.
I vote we go for it! Yeah! Yeah!
Autodale.
Wild lands of Sauria are at war.
Wow. Three-part series, huh? Okay.
Try to tame.
Oh, so there's an Asaurus. Incoming! Manixosaurus here. Oh! Uh-oh. Yep. It's a world full of anthropomorphic animals. Just like Zootopia. And the Sing movies. Not to mention the Kung Fu Panda movies. Wait a minute, a Smilodon. Yep. This is a war. Between the survival of the fittest. Ooh! Yep, on a course like that. Pretty amazing. SAURIA.
We should never have taken this path.
Uh-oh. Guess who came? Honestly, this blew my mind. Seriously. Not only Primal or Ark Survival Evolved animated series, but this too, called Surya. What an absolute legend of a trailer. Because when this series comes out, I think I'm going to enjoy this a lot more than Primal or the Ark Survival Evolved TV show. Because that's saying a lot. Don't get me wrong, I still like Primal. But the only problems with Season 2 is that there's too many unnecessarily things which I don't even know nearly as much, which is why I prefer Season 1 of Primal better. But overall, I think Primal is a good show, but just from Season 1 standards, and some episodes of Season 2, which I actually like. But other than that, this looks legit. And this project was made by Dead Sound, the same guy who did Dinosauria, which is another animated dinosaur series featuring these dinosaurs in their worlds over the Cretaceous period. Kind of like a similar structure to Prehistoric Planet, which followed that formula as well. But this right there is even more so. I can't wait for this series to come out, and I think I'm going to enjoy this more than Ark Survival Evolved, the TV show, as well as Season 2 of Primal. This is a world full of anthropomorphic dinosaur-like creatures and all the other creatures around here. If they felt like they came out of Kung Fu Panda, the Sing movies, and Zootopia, which, don't get me started with Zootopia, with the world full of anthropomorphic mammals. But this is dinosaurs we're talking about. This is legit. And this looks like the next generation of Ark Survival Evolve and Primal. Mostly Primal. Because I watched Primal back in 2019 and I have a soft spot for Primal. And I even did a review on it on my old channel, which I'll probably do a re-review of Primal someday, as well as other media around here. But anyways, yeah. I really hope you guys enjoy this trailer reaction, and please sure like and subscribe, and more videos will come in the near future as well as other things, so yeah, stay tuned for those. And not to mention, I made up those YouTube shorts, by the way, and community posts, so those will be on the way. So anyways, LBT here, see you guys later, and hope you all have a good, very good weekend. Later.
It's about to get wild.